Hey guys, so I'm pretty sure that you must have seen these type of videos on YouTube everywhere. But do you have any idea how to make these amazing videos? No, right? So let me tell you how to make these amazing videos using PowerPoint only. Plus, you can also get this free template in the link in the description to use for your YouTube videos as well. So let's begin. First of all, go to the form background and use a dark color for it. As you can see, you can use green, blue, or yellow, or you can use the dark black color as well. And this blue, navy blue also looks nice, but for now, I'll just choose this yellow color. Next, insert a text box in which you have to insert your header whatever the video is about, whatever the type of content or data it is telling you about. So here goes the first letter and the second one, and then the third one, and then the fourth. Here you go. Now select them and group them and then put them into the center and the middle. Here you go. Now ungroup them and give them the flying animation and go to animation pane and you have to change their direction to the right side. Go to shape FX and from here you're gonna give them bounce and of 0.5 seconds. Here you go. Let me just adjust it. So this looks right. Now again go to effect options and then you have to also change the second option to 0.5 as well. Here you go. Now again go to shape effects and you're gonna adjust the both of the options. So this is the last time word coming right here. So this one also looks nice. Select two of the letters and then you're gonna change the direction into the opposite side. So let's put them right here and give them some shadow. So I'll give them the first shadow. Now go to shape format and go to text options and go to shadow. And from here, you're gonna give them some shadow. So let's increase the size of the shadow. Close the format background and then the next thing you're going to do is go to icons and from here you're going to search for one of the icons that you can use right here. So let me just find a free and a suitable icon from here that you can use in your video. So for now, I'm just using a social media. My topic is social media, so I'll just use this mobile phone as it is the only free icon in PowerPoint that depicts the social media. So let's give it some shadow as well and use the animation painter to give it the same animation from the alphabet it is right next to. So here you go. Now the next thing we're going to do is just give it some delay because we want it to come after the letters have already come onto the slide. So here you go. Let's just give all of the alphabets and the letters some delay because I want them to come with some distance in time. So here you go. Yeah. So this is how it looks right now. Duplicate the slide and remove everything from here. I'll just cut it down. And the next thing you're going to do is go to Insert tab and Shapes and then insert this rectangle boundary. And you have to just put it right here. And you have to decrease its inner or like the area. And you're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D about 3 times and then group it and increase its size and ungroup it. So here you go. You can decrease their inner size if you want again. Select all of them, go to shape format and shape fill and then give it them a suitable color. As you can see, other colors are not really looking bright on this yellow color, so I'll use white. Insert a rectangle on top so in this rectangle, we're gonna write the country name. So let's just put it right here and let's just zoom in so that we can see if the borders are no spaces remaining between them. So let's change this color to blue. Yeah, so what minute? Wait, let me just check out if I can just find some better colors. White would be all right, and blue is looking good. So let's duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and put it on top of the three rectangle boundaries. Next, we're gonna duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D and we're gonna put it right into the below of the template. Select the six of them and decrease their sizes. I mean the height. So let's insert a text box onto the first rectangle and write the first name of the country flag that we're going to use in this video. So let's increase its size, use a bold font, give it center alignment, and then put it right here. Here you go. The next thing you're going to do is just select them and you have to duplicate these text box as well. And next go to pictures and from here I'll just select three of the flags that I am going to use in this video. And you can also use these social media icons. So I'll just use these logos of each of the three of these social media apps. So the first one is Telegram, the second one is Instagram, and the third one is WhatsApp. So these are the three social media icons, I mean the apps that we use in our daily life. So let me just use them. Next, go to pictures and from your device use three of the flags that are related to these like the I mean the that are related to these countries that are related to these social medias. Like we're gonna put the flag on top of that app that in which country the app was created in. So Telegram was created in Russia and Instagram was created in America and WhatsApp was also created in America, which is also known as United States. So we'll just use this shadow effect for the picture. Let's add the star images. Select each of the, first of all, change each of the text box accordingly to what images you're using. Here you go. Select each of one of the rectangles and then group them by pressing Ctrl plus G along with the flag, text box, and the icons. So let's select the text box as well. So let me just ungroup it because one of the text boxes is not grouped. So select all of these, go to Flying Animation and right click on them, an animation pane, and then give each of them uh, a duration. So as you can see, I want the first one to come first, second one to come second, and the third one to come third. So I'll just give them some time delay of equal time, and the next one have to be the greater from the previous one. So select them and group them, and I'll just put them right here. And out of the slide for the next flags and the icons to come, let's just ungroup them by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and G. And then we're gonna remove these icons. Go to pictures and choose your from your device, and you have to insert the other three icons that you're gonna use in this video. So let me just see what icon size is this picture, and I'll apply the same on three as well. So let's put each one of them in each of the rectangle. Here you go. Put one right here below. So this is how it looks right now. Next, we're gonna change the flag. So I'll just have to remove the Russia's flag because America's flag are also the ones that created the Snapchat and the X. So I'll use them as well. So let's insert the China's flag that had created the TikTok. So let me just crop it and then put it right here. Yeah. Now the next thing you're going to do is change the text box and insert the suitable name for each of the social media platform and the name for the country which created them. Now select each one of them and then group them by pressing Ctrl plus G. So here you go. Let's group each one of them. Next, duplicate this slide as well and select all of these and group them by Ctrl plus G. Go to animations and give them lines animation and change the effect option to the left side. So you have to select this red arrow. You have to move it right on to the right side that the last of this rectangle comes touches the right end of the slide. And be sure to hold shift key while doing this all because this is the line animation and we don't want our like shapes to go unsmoothly, but we want them to travel really smoothly. So if you can't are unable to do anything correctly, what you have to do is just remove the animation and then try again by going back to animation span and clicking on none. And from here you can just change the animation if you want. So let's just hold shift while doing everything. By the way, let me tell you this again, but you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And then you can use this template to make your own videos on YouTube if you wish to use them, and you can customize them as well. So now our animation is complete. Let's just give it some duration. Let's increase the duration time because I want it to go on smoothly and really slowly. So this is a preview of what I made. So let's increase the time as well because I want it to go pretty slowly and I don't want it to be really swift. So this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And don't forget to download this template and then use it for your own purpose and also comment down to let us know about your opinion.